Hello, today I'm in BMW E46. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to plus and minus button you can increase or decrease radio volume. Thanks to these arrow buttons you can change radio station. RT button allows you to browse contact list or manage your telephone, but only if your car has Bluetooth module. And also I've read that sometimes this button allows you to enable seat heating, but I'm not sure if it's true. No, sorry, not seat heating, but steering wheel heating. In the end, we've got the phone button, thanks to which you can answer and end the calls. Right here, we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable cruise control, increase the speed, decrease the speed, or reset it. Also, if you press this button again, you'll disable cruise control. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.